Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make Kerala style tomato curry. We can serve this tomato recipe along with chapathi, rice or roti. We just need only 30 minutes to make this delicious recipe. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 sliced tomatoes, add 1 sliced onion, 2 chopped green chillies, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 cup of water. Mix it well. Switch on the flame. Also add 1.5 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Recording was off while adding salt in between. Close the lid. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes on medium flame. Stir in between every 2 minutes. In the meanwhile, we can make the grinded mixture. In a grinder jar, take 3/4 cup of grated coconut. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, half cup of water. Grind it into a paste form. After 10 minutes, we can open the lid. Everything has cooked well. Now add the coconut paste to it. Also add 1.5 cup of medium hot water to it. Mix it well. Cook for 2 minutes on low flame.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
For seasoning, in a pan take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it splutters. Then keep it low flame and add 2 red chilies cut into halves. Stir it for 30 seconds. Now add 4 sliced shallots. Saute it for 4 to 5 minutes until it becomes light golden brown color on medium flame. Now we can add 3/4 teaspoon red chili powder and some curry leaves. Mix it well. Cook for a minute. It's done. We can add this on top of the tomato curry. Before mixing it, close it and leave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we can stir it. Our Kerala style tomato curry recipe is ready. We can serve this tomato recipe along with chapathi, rice or roti. We just need only 30 minutes to make this delicious recipe.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.